Hi there, bag makers. My name's Melissa, and I'm with Sew Yours. Today we are in our Dunellen, Florida store, so I can share with you our latest releases in bag making fabrics that just hit our website at sewyours.com. Right now I am standing in front of our bag making fabric wall. So here we have our faux suedes, faux leathers, and our printed vinyls. And down further we've got our waterproof canvas. So we've got some great new faux leathers and printed vinyls I wanted to share with you today. So let me grab them off the shelves and take a closer look at them. All right, I am standing here with my bouquet of beautiful colors of our milled grain faux leathers that are now available. We have had these on the shelves in our Dunellen, Florida store for about 6 weeks now, and they've been selling really well. These faux leathers have a great feel to them. I think you're going to love working with these milled grain faux leathers. I have brought in 7 different colors in the milled grain faux leathers. Let's share with you the first 3 colors. We have a beautiful shade of red, followed by this gorgeous shade of purple, which I am calling grape. And we've got a nice classic white. And our final 4 colors are our neutrals. So here we have this gorgeous shade of caramel. I love this color so much, and I can't wait to make a bag with it. We've got a nice warm chocolate color, a classic navy, again, one of my favorites, followed by a simple basic black. So those are our new colors in our milled grain faux leathers. Shop on our website at sewyours.com. And now let's go into the printed vinyls. All right, here are our brand new printed vinyls to share with you. And I have to say that I love all of them equally. So let's show you the first one. If you love tie-dye or lots of colors, the rainbow, then you're gonna love our Prism Burst print right here. So it literally looks like a burst of color. So here we have our Scarlet Blooms. So this is a beautiful floral print with reds, pinks, purples, a little bit of oranges on a black background. Here we have our Rainbow Wildflowers print. So this is a sweet, simple little print with a white background and some rainbow watercolor flowers here. Next up, we have our Midnight Wildflowers. Love this one. Beautiful shades of pinks in these blooms. We've got some white daisies on a black background. And lastly, I think this one's going to fly off the shelves just like our Gilded Gardens did. This is the same artist as Gilded Gardens, so we are calling this one Gilded Gardens Navy. Stunning, absolutely gorgeous. I don't know why I didn't order this one first, but we've got it now. So this is beautiful shades of blues, cream colored flowers on a navy blue background. So go ahead and shop all of the new products on our website at sewyours.com. We are continuing to also add our exclusive Sew Yours cotton fabrics to the website as well. So if you haven't checked those out recently, go ahead and do that while you're shopping today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please share all of your makes made with all of our fabrics and hardwares on our Facebook group, or feel free to email those to me at contact@sewyours.com. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.